What exactly is a home inspection and how does it work? A home inspection is a thorough examination of a property's condition from top to bottom. A professional inspector looks at key areas like the roof, foundation, electrical, plumbing, and HVAC systems. A home inspector's job is to give you a detailed report on the condition of everything. Now, how does the process work? It usually starts once an offer is accepted on a home, assuming that offer included a home inspection contingency. The buyer hires a licensed inspector to assess the property. After the inspection, you'll receive a detailed report outlining any problems found. Fair warning, these reports can be super intimidating to a first-time home buyer. They can be dozens of pages long, and remember, it's the inspector's job to tell you about every single thing that's wrong, down to every single crack in the sidewalk. And home inspectors are really good at making every single issue seem like a big one. Work with your realtor closely in order to determine what are the major issues that need to be addressed immediately and what issues are simply good to know about. Bottom line, home inspections give you information about the home you're buying and sometimes can be a nice negotiation tool. I'm Kyle McCorkle with Prime Home Real Estate, and thanks for watching.